We're up in Washington again today, and as you know, we've just brought on our Bitcoin Cash mine, and as you can see, we're getting close to being able to implement the contract. You'll see it's a little dark in here. We don't quite have power on yet, but it's coming later on this week, we hope. And behind me, you're going to see all of the Bitcoin Cash miners that we've started to get deployed. They're sitting here waiting, and we're gonna spend a few minutes today in this talking about the construction of this mine. We wanted to make sure that you guys had an opportunity to see the reality of what we're bringing to the table in our own facilities. As you know, we've been on a program to have more control, to be able to better manage and structure our mining systems so that you have the greatest opportunity to earn rewards. So this mine itself was actually set up, and we were fortunate to find it, fortunate to have the opportunity to start to bring Bitcoin Cash to our members. And we're gonna introduce you to Steve Steele here in a moment. And Steve has built several cryptocurrency mines and is also an electrical contractor. So when you look at this facility, it's really laid out nice. They've taken a lot of care in making sure that this particular scenario works well year-round here in this facility. So we're gonna have the opportunity to meet with Steve here, and he's standing over here kind of waiting to describe for you all of those things that allow us to run this facility and to really make things work. So with that, I want to take the chance to introduce you to Steve, and I think you're going to enjoy what he has to say, and I also think you're going to be in a position to feel much more comfortable that we're bringing you the best and most efficient mining we can bring you on Bitcoin Cash.
Hi guys, I'm Steve with MinerLogic. We're standing inside Air Plenum. Behind me is a BCH miner. Each one of these miners puts out about 1,400 watts of heat. This mine right here, as I said, will do a roughly 2 petahash. The plenum that we're standing in is meant to capture all the heat. So the way we cool this is, if you look at the louvers down to the right, our intake air is forced to come through these servers. Each one of these servers puts out about 1,400 watts of heat. The room we're standing in is meant to capture that heat and then exhausted out the fans that we have here to the left. So the reason that we do this is to make sure our miners don't get too hot. If they get too hot, they don't run. If they get too cold, they don't run. So in the winter months, when we don't run the fans, we open these hatches in the roof. So when its hatches are open, it allows the warm air that the miners create to recirculate through the building and back through the miners. In a nutshell, this is our own design. We've done about 9 facilities so far, trialed and error our way through. We've had our redos for sure, but this application works fabulous for us.